How would you feel if a competitor stole your startup's core tech, trademarked your brand name, or reverse engineered your proprietary algorithm? For 78% of startups, IP theft isn't hypothetical, it's a silent killer. The IP Protection Pack stops this nightmare cold with battle tested tools, patentability assessments using USPTO guidelines, trademark clearance searches with common law conflict detection, ironclad NDA templates for employee onboarding, and licensing frameworks for SaaS IP monetization. Whether you're a SaaS founder scaling in Austin, a biotech team in Boston, or a hardware startup in Shenzhen, this pack turns legal chaos into bulletproof protection. Spoiler alert, it's cheaper than hiring a corporate lawyer by the hour. Here's what's inside the IP Protection Pack: patent strategy module with novelty analysis worksheets and provisional filing timelines, trademark registration system with specimen generation tools and office action response templates, trade secret management framework, including encryption protocols and employee access controls, licensing agreement builder for software IP, hardware blueprints, and data licensing. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just legal paperwork. It's your startup's force field against copycats and corporate raiders. Installing the IP Protection Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add IP Protection Pack. That's it. You'll get the complete IP protection workflow, patent strategy frameworks, trademark playbooks, and licensing templates ready to customize. When you start your next Claude Code session, just say, "Activate IP protection mode." Your AI assistant becomes a legal strategist with instant access to USPTO databases, trademark case law, and licensing best practices. Warning: may cause sudden confidence when VCs ask about IP strategy. Now, go build without fear of getting copied.